Hey guys, so today I wanted to film a makeup haul because I went to the e.l.f. store. I've never ever been to the actual e.l.f. store. I've always bought e.l.f. products from like Target, Walmart, CVS, basically any store except the actual e.l.f. store. Now that I'm back in LA, I found out that there's a e.l.f. store in the Culver City Westfield Mall. If you guys are from the LA area and are wondering where you can find an e.l.f. store, if you're living around that area, that's the place that you should go. It's on my way home from work, so that's why I stopped there. And I was so excited to go just because e.l.f. has come out with so many new products. They've come out with skincare, they've come out with like cream contouring palettes, they've come out with a bunch of like lipsticks. They just have been coming out with so many cool stuff. So I wanted to go ahead and buy some stuff, and also I wanted to use this opportunity because I want to film a one brand makeup tutorial, and I thought what a best way than to start with e.l.f. They're inexpensive and they are amazing. So e.l.f., if you're watching this, go ahead and sponsor your girl, send me some goodies and I can review and stuff, you know. But anyways, everything in this bag right here, the total was like $128. I didn't purchase every single little thing. I wish I could, but your girl don't got that money. So with no further ado, let me go ahead and start with the haul, and I'm also going to be showing you guys swatches and how much the price was and all of that. I'm going to try to go in the way that I do my makeup. So the first thing I purchased was the e.l.f. Lock On Face Primer. This is what it looks like. Now this, when I think of Lock On, I kind of think of like matte, and I was sure damn right. This stuff here retails for $8 and you get 1 fluid ounce, and I think it's actually pretty good. $8 for a primer and a drugstore one and matte. Yo, if you are oily like me, I don't know how many primers you've tried for your combination skin or oily skin, but I've tried so many, and I realized that many brands will go ahead and say that it's a mattifying primer or oil control primer, but then it's like a silicone base. I don't trust that. I realized that no silicone based primer is gonna help me with my oil, but this one here, okay, it's not a silicone base, because when I tried it on at the store, let's see, a few pumps here, give me a second. It's very thick. It first comes out looking like kind of like gel lotion, but then once you rub it, it is so thick and like it feels drying. So I know that this is gonna do pretty good when it comes to like helping me with my oils. So definitely interested in seeing how this is gonna look and how it's gonna feel and everything. You're definitely gonna be seeing a review about this product. Moving on to foundation, I purchased the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Light Ivory. Let me take it out of this packaging here for you. This is what it looks like. It's so tiny. Why is it focusing on my elbow? Come on, camera. I'm far away from my camera. I pushed it really far away, so give it a moment. It's so freaking adorable. Now, this foundation is only 0.68 ounces, so that's why this is like a travel size kind of foundation. So for $6, it's not that bad, but you don't really get that much product, it seems like. So the thing about e.l.f. products too, like for example their foundations and stuff, they don't have that much like colors, so that's kind of what you have to work with. So this is what this looks like. So it's not runny. They have different kind of foundations, but I didn't want a runny one. This one is pretty creamy, and that's what that looks like. For concealer, I purchased the the Maximum Coverage Concealer in Porcelain. This is what that looks like, and this one was $3 and it was 0.7 ounces. Now, here's the thing. For their concealers, for this specific, what got me was the whole full coverage, you know, kind of thing. They only have 3 shades. It's like Porcelain, Nude, and then I don't know what other one it is. But I'm a little scared that this might be a little too white for me or so. Who knows? Oh my god, I can't even open it. Give me one moment, please. Look how tiny. This is so cute. I'm telling you, this is like travel size stuff. Let me, oh, it didn't sound good. It exploded a little bit. This is what, oh, I put too much. This is what it looks like. It kind of has, from this lighting, it kind of looks like it has like a little bit of like a pinkish undertone. I don't think you can really see it through the camera right now, but it does have a little bit of a pinkish undertone, so that's going to be a little interesting. Now let me go ahead and move that for you. It does seem full coverage though. It's pretty creamy. It feels just like the foundation. I've been into cream contouring a lot lately, so I did purchase a cream contour palette that they have. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the product looks like inside. So they do have like a little bit of a highlight too, that yellow one that reminds me of the ABH cream contouring palette. And they have 3 different shades of contouring that you can use, or you can even bronze up your skin with that as well. Now this one retails for $6, which I don't think it's pretty bad. I think it's actually pretty good, because I mean, it's not you're gonna use so much product all at once. So I think this will last you quite some time. This cream thing is actually really creamy. Duh, I mean, it says it itself. But I want to do some swatches on the back of my hand so you guys can kind of see what they look like. This is what the colors look like. They're actually pretty good. I'm interested to see how they're going to apply once I put it on my face. Now for brows, I got their like pomade kind of brow stuff that they have. Reminds me a lot of the Anastasia brow one, so that's why I purchased it. I got it in the color light brown because I didn't want to get it too light or too dark. This kind of feels very thick, so I'm interested to see how that's gonna go on my eyebrows. But that's the shade, and it looks pretty good actually. Now this retails for $4, and it only has 0.19 ounces. To set my under eyes, I got this e.l.f. powder. Now it's not just a regular under eye powder. This is actually a correct and set eye powder in the color rose, which is good for light tones. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's kind of like a brightening powder. I'm not sure exactly how I feel about it just yet, but this powder is actually $4, and there's only 0.2 ounces, really? But we'll see how that goes. To set the rest of my face, I got the e.l.f. Make Me Matte Powder, which looks like this, and this retails for $8, and there's only 0.27 ounces in here. This is actually new, but it's also a foundation adjuster, which you can mix with your foundation and make it like matte. So this is pretty cool and interesting, so I wonder what this is going to feel like. I didn't purchase a eyeshadow primer just because I thought I could save up some money and I can use the concealer as my base, since I usually always do that anyways. So for the eyeshadow palette, this is the one I chose. So these are the colors that it comes with. And this retails for $10. So it's called Mad Matte Palette. This is the colors inside. It looks really good. I needed a matte one because I'm going to show you guys the shimmer palettes that I bought as well. But it's actually pretty nice. So I went ahead and swatched the colors on my arm. They look really nice, but they're very soft and they're so powdery. There was so much fallout just doing the swatches on my hands, so that makes me a little worried. But that's okay. I don't expect too much from eyeshadow palettes from drugstore brands. That's just me though. But that's what they look like. These are the eyeshadow palettes that I'm super excited about. They're the Aqua Beauty Cushion eyeshadows, and these are $12 each. So this one here, let me take off the little screen that it comes with. This one's called Cool Mist, and this is what it looks like. And then this one is called like Island Breeze. Yep, Island Breeze, and that's what it looks like. Let me swatch it because in the store the swatches were beautiful. So here are the swatches. This one here is Cool Mist, and this is over here Island Breeze. They're so freaking gorgeous. So pretty. I don't think the camera's really focusing on the colors right now. It's focusing on me. But that is just so pretty. So pretty. The main reason why I got this palette is because I really enjoyed this like burgundy red and the green yellow is so pretty. And with this one, I was loving this greenish blue and this blue one. So gorgeous. Can't wait to play with them. For eyeliner, I got a basic black eyeliner, nothing crazy. This retails for $3, and it's a pin kind of thing. This is what the applicator looks like. And let me do a swatch for y'all. This is what it looks like. So it's just black, nothing crazy. I saw this one, I thought was so interesting. It is a blue metallic eyeliner pencil. Let me show you guys what this looks like. It's super pretty. Let's see if the camera will focus it. And this one actually retails for $4. And I thought that one would be really pretty if I were to do like a blue eyeshadow look like this here. So who knows? I don't know what look I'm going for yet for that video. I also saw these really cool glittery eyeliners. This one is in shimmering gold and this one is in pink opal. Now this one reminded me a lot of the new eyeliner from MAC that's like in gold. So that's why I purchased it, because I kind of want to do a side by side and do some swatches and all that. But this one retails for $4. There's a swatch for you. You can't really see the pink opal on here, but I swear when I was in the store, oh, there you go, you can kind of see it. You see it's kind of like pink. It's really, really pretty. Okay, camera, you're trying to figure out where to focus? Okay, that's what they look like. For mascara, I got the Volume Plumping Mascara. This retails for, I believe, yeah, $3. Let me show you what the applicator, ooh, that's not cool. I just literally just opened it. Do you see that? But this is what it looks like. I like the wand. This is the kind of wands that I like for mascara. But your basic standard mascara for $3. Now this lip product here retails for $5. And this is called the Day to Night Lipstick Duo. And this is in the color Needed Nudes. So on one side, it even shows you here like the little sun and the little moon. So when it's morning time, this is the side of lipstick that you would be using. And then if it's nighttime, this is the side that you would be using. So let me maybe do some swatches for you. Here is the swatch. The top one is the day. The night one is, the night one. The bottom one is the night one. So they're very, very similar, just a different tone. Lashes, I got this pair. I don't know how to pronounce that name or anything. It looks like it was like a collaboration with a beauty person, so I'm not exactly sure. But these retail for $4. They're really cute. I didn't want like the plain, just strip lashes. And these are kind of nice because they kind of look a little wispy. So not too bad for, $4 lashes. To set my face, this is going to be ironic. I got the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Now the main reason why I got this is because it says coconut. I love coconut. I love anything that smells like coconut. So this is the main reason why I got it. I thought the packaging was really cute as well. And this retails for $8. I haven't tried it yet, so maybe I should spray it on and see what it does for me. But $8 is not too bad for a setting spray. I just want to make sure. Oh, do you see it, the way it spritz out? Okay, let's see. It smells so good. Makes me want a pina colada right now. These two are going to be extra products that I got that I don't necessarily need to do a full face, but that I kind of needed. So I got the makeup remover wipes, which are $3. Let me just make sure. Yep, $3. And then I got the brush cleaner for $6. This smells good to me, but you might not like it. Some people don't like scented things. This is scented, but it actually did a decent job. And then these are just, basic makeup remover wipes. You're probably wondering, where is your contour powder? Where is your blush powder? Where's all your crazy powders? Well, these are things that I already had that I didn't have to purchase because I already own them. Now this palette here, I don't know exactly what the name of it is. I know it's an e.l.f. product, it just doesn't have the name. But it does come with like a powder, a bronzing powder. It comes with the highlights, a shimmering blush. That's what this one looks like. I don't know the name and I don't know what it retails for. So these products that I'm showing you, I don't know. They probably retail for either like $4, $6, $8. They don't necessarily charge that much for certain things. This is the bronzer palette. I'm almost done. You guys can see that I do use these palettes here. That's what that looks like. And it also has like a shimmery bronzer one, which I don't necessarily always use. And then this one is the illuminating palette, which is all about the highlights. It comes with like a white one, a pink one, a more goldy one, champagne one. And then this one here is the contour palette, which is the powder form. So it comes with the white one, a little like nude one, and so on. And then this one, last one, is the blush palette. And that's what this one looks like. When I went to the e.l.f. store, they actually had a promotion going on. If you spend over $25, you would get a little like gift bag, and it came in one of these little bags right here. And they gave me the Prism eyeshadow Sunset, and then they also gave me this lip balm, And they gave me this eyeliner, and I guess because I purchased so much, they gave me an extra one too. And this one is a Naked, and another lip balm, and a eyeliner. That concludes my e.l.f. haul. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys own any of these products and what are your thoughts on them, or what products I didn't purchase that you think that I should try from e.l.f. Leave them down below, and stay tuned for the e.l.f. one brand makeup tutorial that I'm going to be doing pretty soon. If you guys are wondering if I have a tutorial on this makeup look, I do, but it's just on the eyes, so not on my face. So if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and put that on my description box. And yeah, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, drop a beautiful comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'm dreaming, you're wondering, we're waiting, when does our life begin? I'm flying.